The modularity and portability of shipping containers makes them ideal building blocks for cargo apartments by comfortably stacking them up to 8 stories. In this video, we bring to you a luxury apartment complex in Tempe, Arizona, built using 12 shipping containers. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing apartment complex. This amazing property is a masterpiece of modern, sustainable, and spacious shipping container living in the heart of Tempe in Arizona. The 4,000 square feet apartment complex is built using 12 recycled shipping containers. The containers are stacked 3 stories high in 2 blocks separated by a vertical circulation shaft of a steel staircase on one end and blockwork to accommodate 2 bathrooms for each unit on every level. A small footbridge with steel balustrading connects to each apartment on the first and second levels. The upper shipping containers retain the container cargo doors welded in an open position in alternate blocks to create Juliet balconies to provide a canopy to the containers below. Each apartment unit is comprised of 2 shipping containers, creating approximately 750 square feet of a 1-bedroom rental unit. From outside, this apartment complex could easily pass as a stack of abandoned steel boxes. When you step inside each apartment unit, such thought quickly evaporates. The clean, minimalist interiors and the contemporary 5-star finishes puts these apartments in a different class of comfort. The overall design layout of each apartment unit has an open-plan living space and a 1-bedroom occupying the extreme ends of the shipping containers, separated by utility spaces in the middle. A black-painted front door swings open into an open-plan living space. The airy living area is elegantly furnished with a comfortable couch with throw pillows, 2 easy chairs, a flat-screen TV, and a fluffy floor rug to define the lounge space. The dining space has got 2 different configurations. A counter-like arrangement behind the couch with bistro seating up to 4 people is fitted with a long horizontal slit window with amazing views to feast on, along with some fine dining. The second dining space next to the kitchen is comprised of a round table that can comfortably seat 2 or 4 depending on the need. The kitchen is quite big and spacious. The chef's quality kitchen opens out to a spacious living room with a perfect entertaining floor. The kitchen is fitted with high-end appliances, custom-designed storage with black cabinetry, and gorgeous countertops. The ceiling in every room is painted white to make the space appear brighter and spacious, helping to eliminate that confinement feel synonymous with shipping container boxes. The crisp white wall finishes, the white painted ceiling, and wall hangings create an amazing indoor atmosphere enhanced by adequate daylighting, which helps to kill the claustrophobic feel of the constricting dimensions of shipping containers, making the living room and the bed space to appear bigger. The apartment retains the original container plywood flooring, which is treated with epoxy paint to give a high gloss reflective finish to bring out the industrial charm to the indoors. A spacious bedroom occupies the extreme end of the 2 containers, big enough for a double bed, placed towards one corner, and sizable glass windows occupying the other side from floor to ceiling, enhancing the daylighting in the bed space. The wall hangings and the crisp white bedroom walls create an exciting space for a good night rest. The utility spaces in each apartment include a small laundry space, adequate wardrobe space, a dressing mirror, and a full bathroom with glass shower cubicles, a toilet, and wash hand basin. The most outstanding feature in each rental apartment unit is the 5-star interior finishes. The apartment complex exterior has a uniform rusty finish of cotton steel, which exposes the rustic, brutal appearance of shipping containers, at the same time helping to blend the structure into its desert environment. The circulation shaft in between the two container blocks is finished in blockwork on the front and covered with an amazing, beautiful looking exterior cladding, plus the steel staircases at the back of the complex with the exposed rustic exterior. On the ground floor apartments, the cargo doors are placed with full glass windows and glazed entrance doors to provide access and adequate daylight. On the upper floors, the container doors are left intact in alternate stories and used as Juliet balconies, and the rest fitted with full-height glazing for adequate ventilation and daylighting. One-way reflective glass is used throughout the complex to provide unfiltered views from the inside, at the same time reflecting any excess Arizonan heat on the outside. The overall landscaping of the complex is minimalist to complement the desert environment setup. For renting and leasing, feel free to check it out on their official website using the link in the description below. The clean, minimalist interiors and the high-quality finishes make this apartment have a different class of luxury. Which part of this apartment block appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Photo credits and information source is from livingfreight.com.